Amazon technicals don't look great. I still think the stock's a story stock. I still think it's Amazon. I still think eventually it's going to 5,000, but it looks like it could cool off here a bit. If I wasn't long Amazon for long term, I'd probably sell it and then try to re-get it. But I always know what happens when I go my long-term portfolio and I sell stock out, think I'm going to get it cheaper, then it blasts off and I miss it, and then I don't rebuy it, and then I'm mad at myself 2 years later. So try not to do that with the Amazon. But as right now, that Amazon chart looks tired.
Yeah, look at all those lows that you've had just below 3,100. And when it came down there in early October, it bounced right up, right, to 3,200. And now you're coming down here again, and you're not bouncing right up. And that, when you hang out support for too long, you tend to take it out.
Yep.
So I would just use yesterday's low as as a parameter on the downside. And then I don't know, are we going to get under 3,000? I mean, I think they'd really have to hit the market on this one. I don't think this headline's going to do it. It possibly could. I mean, it's had a great run this year. Maybe this one might be
up
a little
13 points here this morning, so they're not even hitting it here this morning. It just overall, I mean, look at the weeklies. It looks a little bit exhausted. Look
at the monthlies. Look at the monthlies too, down here in the bottom right corner.
You need to hold that whole 3,000 psychological level, and then maybe we dip below it and shake a few people out again. I mean, we know if we get down below 3,000, we could hit some stops. So maybe this is one of those undercut and rally type trades, that we always talk with Gil Morales about. He loves the undercut and rally. I mean, maybe get under 3,000, hit a few stops under there, and then maybe, it pops back up and then you strike. But right now, I'd lay off. I'm long Amazon. I'm staying long Amazon. But if I went in it, I'd lay off right now.